Well, it is a sad and heartbreaking situation in the community of Attawapiskat. It's desperate, in fact. 11 people tried to take their own lives on Saturday alone, prompting the town to declare a state of emergency.
The situation is dire. You have to do something.
Minister of Aboriginal Affairs David Zimmer announcing today that they will take a three-pronged approach to the crisis in the village of 2000 that has seen too many crises, more than 100 suicide attempts in the last 6 months alone. An emergency team left for the Northern Outpost this afternoon. Already on the ground is a Mushkegowuk Tribal Health Authority team.
The idea there is to get an immediate grip on what has happened on the weekend with the 11 attempted suicides on Saturday and the other issues. So they want to immediately stabilize the situation over the next couple of days.
On Thursday, Minister of Health Dr. Eric Hoskins, who tweeted today he was devastated about the suicide attempts, and Tracy McCharles, the Minister of Youth and Child Services in the province, will join the teams.
From my perspective, from a children and youth point of view, do we have the right social services, the right mental health services, the right emergency services, and life-affirming support? That's what I'll be focused on.
It is a nightmare situation up there. In the last 10 years, states of emergency have been declared over unsafe drinking water, housing, sewage issues, and now the suicide attempts.
The problem is this is not a new problem. It happens to be this weekend was a pretty horrific one for the community, but I got to say, this is the situation that happens in many of these communities along the James Bay in northwestern Ontario, unfortunately on a regular basis.
Gilles Bisson is the MPP for the riding. He says they were promised $1.5 million a few years ago, but the money never materialized. He does agree with Minister Zimmer, who said that they must work with Ottawa on a long-term solution, but he says with health, social services and policing falling under the provincial watch, a lot can be done by Queen's Park.
The Mushkegowuk Cree people are very patient, and they're amazing when it comes to their willingness to work with you, even though they've been let down a number of times. Let's hopefully this time not let them down.
And later in the show, we will speak with a Native leader who is going to see firsthand how bad the situation is in Attawapiskat.